What up? Welcome to Island on a Plate, where I give you guys my point of view on Caribbean ingredients, spices, food, dishes that I enjoy using and I enjoy eating myself. Sit back, relax, and let's talk about Caribbean food. Let's talk about cloves, aka girofle, aka I don't want that in my food. Those are warm, sweetly pungent, and aromatic, but also with a ton of bitterness. And that's why people hate when they bite into them in Haitian dishes. Cloves are highly concentrated, so about one or two can be enough to flavor a pot. Typically start sweet and floral and then finish it with a astringent taste. It is commonly used in both sweet and savory Haitian preparations. Cloves are a reflection of the French colonial spice influence and also of the trade routes from the Indian Ocean. It is used whole, not ground in traditional Haitian cooking to preserve the fragrance without overpowering. Cloves are used in almost every Haitian dishes you know. We use it and we pick it into an onion or hot peppers or sweet peppers to add all the flavors that we're looking for. We use it in stews, rice, meats, whatever we need to add that flavor, that distinctive Haitian flavor.